Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mulyati Mursak, a doctoral student in elementary education at Jakarta State University, Indonesia. Along with my research team, Harif Sumantri and Arita Marini, I am honored to present our research entitled Enhancing Critical Thinking in Elementary Education, a literature review of effective learning. Ladies and gentlemen, let me start by explaining the background of our study. Number one, 21st century education requires higher order thinking skill. Two, critical thinking is essential for young learners to analyze and evaluate information. Three, however, many current instructional media in primary schools remain ineffective. Four, evidence from classroom practice indicate that the critical thinking skills of primary school students remain relatively low and have not yet developed optimally. Five, identifying effective learning media is vital to support student critical thinking. Next, I would like to explain the rationale behind this study, why effective learning media is important for developing critical thinking skill in elementary education. One, via concrete operational stake. Two, need for visual or interactive media. Three, benefits, engagement and retention. Four, stimulation, reflexive through media. In this slide, the process following three stage based on the Prisma framework. First, identification. We identified research related to learning media and critical thinking from various countries to understand the global research distribution. Second, screening. We categorize different types of learning media used in previous studies, such as video interactive application, games, and visual-based platform. Three, inclusion. We determine which learning media were the most effective for enhancing critical thinking among elementary students. On the right, side, you can see visual illustration that present the state. The world map show research distribution by country. The middle visuals display example of media classification, and the icon on the right represent types of media. On this slide, I will briefly explain the article screening process using the Prisma flow summary. As shown in the diagram, all that were taken from the Scopus database. Either in the identification stage, we initially found 94 research articles related to learning media and critical thinking primary school. During the screening stage, we reviewed those articles based on inclusion criteria, such as publication year, reference to elementary education, and focus on critical thinking. After the process, 18 students meet all the criteria and were included in the final review. As you can see on the screen, This table shows the distribution of research on instructional media for critical thinking skills in elementary school across different countries. The data reveal that Indonesia has the highest number of studies, with a total of 10, followed by several other countries such. You can all see in the table the example of media used in a study, which include various form of digital, interactive, and hybrid learning tools aimed at fostering critical thinking in students. Continue with the result. This slide shows the classification of media category identified from the 18 reviewed studies. We found the instructional media used to enhance students' critical thinking can be grouped in 4 main categories. The first category, multimedia and interactive visual. The second, interactive digital platform. The third category, flipped and hybrid learning. Finally, game application and gamification. You can see example of media category display on the screen. As you can see on the screen, this slide presents the most effective learning media identified in our study. Multimedia and interactive visual media. Most widely used and effective, provide visual stimulation, narrative, and problem-based learning, foster analysis, evaluation, and creativity. Conclusion: 1. Research mappings showed the Indonesia contribute the large number of studies 10, followed by Taiwan 2. Number 2, identified learning media were grouped into 4 main categories. 1. Multimedia interactive visual media, interactive digital application and platform, flipped and hybrid learning, game basic application and gamification. 3. Among those, multimedia and interactive visual media were the most frequently used and effective in enhancing critical thinking skill. 4. This media promote visualization, interactivity, and problem-solving activities, which are essential for developing student analytical and reflective abilities. Thank you very much for your attention.